This is the JT400 by Loki Thor. So let's go ahead and show you. So with this, it's very simple and easy to use. It does have a light, which actually puts off a lot of light. Couple modes here. Flashing, which is good for emergency. So you turn this on when you want it for the max connection. So you turn this on here, and that basically just gives it full power. So that's good for if your battery is dead, you would press and hold that. You can charge your cell phone with this as well as other USB devices, but for this, you take your little plug here and plug that right in here. Now what you do is, we like to do the ground first, so we'll connect the black to the black. So black would be negative, we connect that to the negative, and then we connect the red to the positive, just like this. So it's gonna look just like that. Go ahead, turn it on, and we can see here it's counting down. So now it's ready to go. Now we go ahead and we turn on the key. And if you need super mode, you could press this, but let's go. All right, so now we go ahead and take our key. And there we go. Sometimes it might turn over for a little while, but yeah,